Meanwhile, still upset this evening is the family of Burrell, who was killed in that controversial police chase and shootout on Old Harbour Road in April. Burrell died when the car he was driving crashed into a car driven by policemen from the Mobile Reserve. Now, the family says a ruling from the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, last week is an insult to this situation.
On Friday, the DPP ruled that the cops at the center of last month's crash and shooting should face several charges. However, the relatives of Burrell say they are not pleased with the ruling.
My question to the DPP is, why is there no statement from the other three or the other two policemen who were involved in this accident?
The other cops he refers to are the off-duty officers who were reportedly chasing Corporals Ramon Scott and Kirk Fraser after the Chedwin Park shooting. In addition to the injuries from the motor vehicle collision, it's understood that Burrell also had multiple bullet wounds.
It is almost impossible for those three would-be policemen to have shot Kevon. So why is it that they are the ones charged for murder and manslaughter, and there is nothing mentioned about the other two police? Why are they withholding their names?
Kevon's brother, 22-year-old Javier Burrell, was also injured in the incident. He still has bullet fragments in his head. For their father, Michael Burrell, the situation is getting more frustrating each day, as he believes the charge of manslaughter is wrong.
You murder my son. Right now, I don't know if he's going to be dead in a week or in a minute or what, because I still have the shot in his head. Me need justice. Jamaica for justice. The Prime Minister, everybody I needed to intervene. They are all liars.
In addition to that, the controversy surrounding the case has impeded attempts to get an independent post-mortem. He says he has been to 3 doctors so far.
One said that too much court. The other said him can't. One said him couldn't do it, but him can't put him name on paper, because tomorrow me may not hear from him. Him take me one side and tell him, say, I recommend me to Jamaica for justice. That means something is wrong.
He's again calling for assistance from human rights groups, as he says he just wants the truth before he buries his son.
So me need one to take over that the Jamaican people can see that I'm not telling no lie. I'm not making a public mischief. I just need justice for my children. Please, I need justice.
Herman Green, TVJ News.